Hey there, it's Mike here, and today we're going to be talking about Pinterest marketing. It's one of the things that I think is one of the best traffic sources. I actually have friends that are making thousands of dollars simply from posting on Pinterest and driving that traffic to different offers that they have here. So that's why this video right here caught my attention. It's called Pinterest Affiliate Marketing Tutorial, How I Make $4,943 per week from a channel called Sara Finance. Now again, this is one of those things that it's free marketing. It's a free way of getting traffic. I am a big fan of free. I'm going to go ahead and like her video here. If you guys can like my video as well, it really helps out with my channel and I appreciate it. And click that subscribe button and bell notification. Let's see how she's actually making this money and if we can do it too.
Last week, I made over $4,000 with affiliate marketing, and I've recently discovered a
Now I wonder if is that money all from Pinterest though?
Brand new Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy that I'll be sharing with you in this video. This requires no money or experience, so it's possible for anyone to get started.
That's the best thing about these kind of things, especially with free traffic, is you don't have to worry about paying for traffic. I have been doing this for years now, and I still don't like paying for traffic. I don't mind it. If I have to pay $1 to make $2, that's fine. But still, there's always a risk, and it's just I know that a lot of people getting started don't like to do it.
Now let's get right into it. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote a brand's products or services with a unique link that you're given. And if someone clicks on your link and signs up, you make a commission. It's great because you don't have to worry about the product, you just have to advertise it. Now let's do
You still have to worry about if the product is good or not. And if you promote something and you say, oh, I really like this and you should buy it, and it's a piece of crap, then people are going to come back to you and say, why did you recommend this to me if it's so bad?
a quick run through of how my affiliate marketing strategy works. The first step is picking a topic or niche that you want to promote. Different topics include cooking, fitness, finance, self-development, and the list goes on.
I always recommend promoting finance. It's just, there's so much money there, you don't need a lot of traffic to make money in that niche.
So you can really do anything. However, the best niche on Pinterest is money and motivation.
What did I say? Finance, money.
And so that's what I would pick. The next step would be to find affiliate links related to your niche, which I'll show you how to do later on in this video. Now, the next step of this strategy requires you to create a Pinterest business account, and you'll be using this account to promote your different affiliate links. On your Pinterest account, you're gonna have to post pictures like this and also videos like this, which I'll show you exactly how to do later on in this video.
That's probably the hardest part, is getting content. What are you going to promote? Are you going to record videos every day? Are you going to put your face on camera? A lot of people don't like to do that, so I'll be interested to see what she does with that.
Thankfully, Pinterest now allows you to actually add affiliate links to all the content you post on your account, and this is a recent update they came out with.
I didn't know that. That's something that I learned today.
This is great because you can get a ton of clicks on your affiliate links. I thankfully do have a ton of experience with Pinterest affiliate marketing, and so I'll be sharing with you the top growth tips that I've personally used myself to grow my account to over 97,000 followers. But that was pretty
I wonder how much traffic she's getting with 97,000 followers. It's always interesting to see, like, you might think that that's a lot of followers, or you might think that's not very much, but I'm curious to see how much she actually, like, how many people are clicking on her links and how much she's actually making from that.
Pretty much just a quick summary of how this strategy works, but now I'll be giving you a full step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually start this today. Step number 1 of this tutorial is picking your niche. Like I said before, you can really pick anything, but the most popular one on Pinterest is money and motivation, so that's what I would pick. Now the next step is to find affiliate links related to your niche. Now there are a few websites you can use to find affiliate links. My favorites are Amazon Associates, PartnerStack, Impact.com, and clickbank.com. So you can go ahead and
You can also use things like JVZoo and Warrior Plus if you want to promote things in the make money online niche. There are good products there and there are bad ones, like any network.
check out all of these. And if you do decide to pick the money and motivation niche, I do know 3 really good affiliate programs that I'll share with you right now. The first one is Honey, which gives you $10 per successful referral. People use Honey to get coupon codes when shopping online, so it's great to promote. Another great one is the Rakuten affiliate program. People also use this to find coupons online when shopping. The next
I've actually never promoted either of those, but maybe I should make some videos promoting those offers.
Next affiliate program I recommend is the Fiverr one. You get 25% commission from anyone that purchases a service from Fiverr, which is solid. So feel free to check out these affiliate programs. Now let's move on to the different websites you can use to find affiliate links. The first one is PartnerStack, and there are a ton of great affiliate programs here. So go ahead and create your account, and once it gets approved, you can click up here on Marketplace and it will show you a ton of different affiliate programs. You can look through all these different categories, and a lot of their affiliate programs pay very well. Next, let's try using ClickBank to find some affiliate links.
I've personally made money on ClickBank, not a ton, maybe a few $1,000s, but it's a legitimate marketplace.
So once you create your account, click up here on Affiliate Marketplace. Here you're going to see a ton of different categories, and I'll be checking out the business one. Now look through these and see if you can find anything good related to your niche. Now say you find something you like, just click here on Promote, add a nickname, create a hop link, and now you have your own custom affiliate link that you can start promoting.
The nice thing about ClickBank though is that for people just getting started is that other networks you have to apply for affiliate links and you have to wait to get approved, and a lot of times if you don't have any sales, they won't approve you, and there's a lot of hoops that you have to jump through in order to like reach out to them and talk to them and blah blah blah. With ClickBank, a lot of the offers you don't need any approval. You can just get your link and start promoting.
And you can track all the commission that comes through on ClickBank's dashboard page. Next, I'm going to show you how to use impact.com to find affiliate links. Unfortunately, with Impact, it is challenging to get your account approved if you don't already have a following on Pinterest. So I do recommend building your account on Pinterest first and then applying for this later on.
That's good advice, because you don't want to go in there, apply, get rejected, and then feel, oh crap, I'm going to go do something else now. Good advice.
You can still try to create an account now with the link in the description of this video. And so once your account is created, you want to click on Brands, Find Brands, and in this section here, you're going to see a ton of different affiliate programs. Impact has some of the best affiliate programs, and so I highly recommend checking it out. Now let's move on to the next step, which comes after you've gotten all your affiliate links. So what you want to do is go to the description of this video and click on the link where it says free Shopify trial. And basically you'll be using Shopify to create a link tree, which will look like this.
And of course she's going to get an affiliate commission for that, but if she helps you, why not? She's being pretty transparent about this.
So go ahead and add your email address so you can start your free trial. Alright, so you'll be brought to this page here, so click on select a plan, then go ahead and choose the basic plan. It's only going to cost you $1 a month. And once you're done there,
I think it's $1 in the beginning for the first month, and then you pay more.
Go back to online store, then click here on customize. So this is what your website looks like, but we are going to be customizing this. And you're basically going to have all your links here. So first thing I want you to do is hide everything on this page, just like I'm doing here. And you should have a blank page as a result.
By the way, you could probably do this with another page builder. And there's free stuff out there as well, so don't feel like you have to get Shopify.
Then click on add section, multi-column. Now for each affiliate link you have, you must add one column. So if you have 6 affiliate links, you would just go ahead and add 6 columns. Now click here and just remove this text so we can get rid of this button. Alright, so now you're going to go ahead and add an affiliate link in each column. So for example, let's add an affiliate link here. So make sure you remove all this text, then just add your link right here. And then where it says link label, just highlight basically what your link is. And now just do this for all of the different columns, and as an end result it should look like this.
This looks like kind of like a link tree type thing. I think there's free versions of this. If you look for similar software, you can probably find it for free. And
you can obviously customize this with different colors if you want in this section, but I'm just going to keep it like this for now. Alright, and now we're done, so just go ahead and save it and let's exit. Now here I want you to search up domain, then click on change to a new Shopify domain, and now just add what you want your URL link to be. I'm going to make mine mindset to success. Alright, now let's just copy the link and go and see it on Google, and obviously it looks pretty basic, but if you wanted to, you could add some colors like I said previously. Moving on now.
And again, you don't need Shopify to create that. You can do that with many free page builders or maybe something that you already have.
That's the next step, which is creating your business Pinterest account and posting content. And moving on, let's get straight into how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. Step 1 is to create your Pinterest account. And here on your profile, click on the 3 dots in the top right hand corner, settings, account management.
I mean, it's pretty basic stuff. You're setting up a Pinterest account. Most people should know how to do that, but I think she wants to make sure that you set up a business one.
Then convert to a business account and fill out all the information. It'll ask you to add a username, and for this, I recommend just picking something easy to remember. For example, I'm gonna put mindset to success. Alright, so this is what your profile should look like. Next step is to create a profile picture, and I recommend using Canva to create this.
Love Canva. It's a really great like software or application, and it's free. I don't pay anything.
I'll leave a link for a free trial with Canva in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and create your account with that link. Moving on now to the exciting part, which is creating content to promote your affiliate links.
Now that's the thing, like where are you going to get content?
You'll be creating photos like this and also posting videos like this on your account. Now if you go on your Pinterest account and click on the plus, you're going to see a button that says idea pin. So if you click on this, it's going to allow you to upload both images and videos. You can think of an idea pin as a piece of content that Pinterest pushes out a ton on their platform. So if you want to grow your account quickly, posting idea pins is the best way to go. And you're able
A good tip from someone that's actually doing it.
to add your affiliate links on your idea pins, which means you can expect to get a ton of clicks on your links. Importantly, you should be posting anywhere from 2 to 3 idea pins every single day if you want your account to grow quickly. Now the best part about this is the idea pins you post don't have to be your own. So what you want to
Looks like on hers there, she has a lot of videos of herself.
do is go on TikTok and search up your niche. So I'm going to search up money and motivation and look through all the videos here, and there's thousands of great ones to pick from. So if you find something you like and you want to post it on your Pinterest account, copy the link and then go to the website snaptik.app, then paste the TikTok video link here and download the video without a watermark. And now you can go ahead and post this video to your Pinterest account in the idea pin section.
See, I don't know about that, and it's kind of like stealing content, right? Do you give credit to the original account? Do you link out to it? Does Pinterest like that? Does Pinterest, like if someone sees their content on Pinterest, are they going to get mad at you? I don't know.
So let me show you how I would do that. So now just go ahead, upload the video, just add any caption you want, and then in the description, make sure you credit the original
Okay, I like that.
owner of the video. And where it says add link, you can go ahead and just add your link tree. I would also add a few tags related to your topic.
Look how she called it a link tree. Like I think there's like a website called Linktree or something like that where you can create. If you search for free Linktree builder, you can find software that will do that.
And then just upload the video. Aim to post at least 2 videos every single day in the idea pin section, and if you can do 3 or 4 or even more than that, that's even better. Now let's move on to
I'd love to see someone actually do this and come back and report back to us. If you've tried this, let me know.
posting photos on your Pinterest account. For this, you actually have to create the photos yourself, and I'll show you an example of what you'd create. So here's an image I posted, and I said learn how to start your own online business, and then I redirected people to my Shopify affiliate link. I'll now show you exactly how you can create something like this yourself. First thing you want to do is create your Canva account using the link in the description of this video if you have not already. Now in your Canva account, click on create design, then search for Pinterest pin and then click on it. Okay, so now we can go ahead and create our Pinterest pin. Now the nice thing is there are actually a ton of different templates that we can use for reference. Alright, so after looking through some of these, I found this template here, which is awesome. So the first thing you want to do is identify.
It's pretty easy to set up a template there. I mean, all you have to do is click on that and edit it, and you're done. And it's pretty amazing considering this is a free software. Of course, there's a paid version, but you don't need to get it.
Which affiliate link you're going to promote. So for example, I want to promote Rakuten, which basically allows people to save money when they shop online with coupon codes. So I'm going to go ahead and just customize this to make sense with what I'm promoting. Okay, so basically the text I added here was save thousands when shopping online with Rakuten. So this is perfect because if someone reads this and they're interested in saving money online, they will go ahead and actually click on your image and then go to your affiliate link. So once you've customized your photo, I want you to go ahead and just download it. And now you can upload this to your Pinterest account. Now every week you want to upload at least 4 images. And
I think that's important, by the way. If you're not posting content on a regular basis, you're not going to get a lot of links. And it looks like she's using that video content to kind of build up her account, and then she's posting images to make money with. That's what it seems like.
This is a strategy I find works best. Now let me show you how I would upload this as a pin. So click here, pin, now upload, and just add your title. You can really do anything for this, and then add your affiliate link here, and now you can just go ahead and post it. So as long as you're posting 4 images every week, you'll be solid.
Okay, so what do you guys think of this? I mean, she makes $4,943 a week. That's great. She does have a Pinterest account with a lot of people on it. I'd be curious about how she's built that up over the years. It looks like she does show her face on some of her videos as well, but she posts that other kind of content there. Maybe it's good to do a mix there if you are used to it. Let me know if you've had any success with Pinterest, you've tried it out. Let me know in the comments below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with the YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.